How to insert pictures from Google in PowerPoint. So today we are here with step-by-step guide on how to do this. So let's get started. Firstly, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the image. Then all you have to do is tap on the insert or simply create a new slide to add image on the PowerPoint. Now once you have done this, open your web browser, then go to the Google Images. Once gone, search for the desired images and simply right-click on the image you want to use and select Save Image and save it to a location on your computer. Now go back to the PowerPoint and click on the Pictures option available there and browse through your computer and select the downloaded image to insert it into your slide. So now you can see your Google image has been selected for your PowerPoint. Now you can also use any template to decorate your slides according to your preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.